Hello, welcome everyone to question number 1. Print left view of binary tree from the topic of trees in for Geeks must do coding interview questions. Have a quick look at the question and we'll be discussing the approach. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you have any doubts, leave a comment below and we'll be very quick to respond. Now let's move on to the approach. Coming to the approach here, we have to know the meaning of the question. So the meaning of the question is, here a tree structure is given and we have to find out the left view. Okay, now just assume you are seeing this tree data structure from the left side. Okay, if you watch from the left side here, okay, if you watch from left side here, what will you see? You will only see this left side elements, and all the remaining elements, these elements will be blocked from your eye. So only the left side element should be there in the output. How can we do that? That is the question here. So if you observe carefully, there is a pattern here, right? And you can see in every level here, you can say this is level 1 and this is level 2 and this is level 3 and this is level 4. If you observe carefully here, in each level there is only one element on the left side, okay, that we are going to use. In each level only left side elements will be printed here, right? First, in the first level you will get 1, the second level we printed 2. In each level only one left side element we are going to print. Okay, then 4 is there in the third level, and in the fourth level we have 8 as the answer, right? So this is the output that we are going to print using the big data structure. Okay, and this is a basic understanding of the question, the meaning of the left view. Okay, now let's go into the coding part, and it will be very much clear after seeing the coding part what is actually happening. Now we are inside the Geek for Geeks website, and as we have discussed, we are going to use the level order traversal here. So we're going to use pre-order traversal, where we have to print the left root element first. Okay, root element first. Then we will be using this left view util function to iterate through left side of the tree. Okay, left tree will be iterated using this, and the next right side tree will be iterated using this one. So if you carefully see, we are using the recursion approach here, right? And we have initialized the max level as 0 here, and we're taking one empty list here, and this will be the list that we are going to return to the function as a final answer. Right now, this is a utility function, and we are going to initialize that with our root, and we're going to give the level order as 1. Okay, this is the first level. We're going to start with level 1. Okay, and this is the max level, and why we are using this max level we will know soon. For now, the max level value is 0. Okay, now after giving these values inside this function, now we're going to use these conditions and go forward. Root is done, we return, and then the use of the function will be ended. Okay, that will happen only when the root is none. That can be only happen in two cases. If the root given doesn't have any value, or we have reached the end of the root. Now the second condition here we're saying is max level 0 or index 0 should be smaller than level. Okay, now if you carefully observe, the max level was 0 here earlier and the level was 1. So there is no issue, this will run successfully, but it will only run one time. Why it will only run one time? Because when we are using this recursion approach here, we're going to call the left side function. Okay, now the left side function will append the value of level 1 also, and also max level also, right? Now once the max level and the level have been appended, and we call this function again, so max level will be reinitialized with max level equal to level, right? So level and max level both will be equal once the left side tree has been called. Okay, only for left side tree it will reinitialize equal to level. Right now, if you use the right side approach, now right side tree, if you iterate to right side tree, okay, next, okay, this is the next statement. So the left side tree has been already iterated and max level is equal to level. Now it has already became equal to the level. Okay, now this level plus 1 and max level, they both will be equal in this case, because left side tree has already been iterated, it has been reinitialized max level with the level value. So max level will be same after this statement has been iterated. So now max level will be equal to the level plus 1 value only, right? So in this case, level plus 1 and max level will be equal. So when it comes to this condition in the right side of the tree, okay, So this condition will not be valid because these two are equal. It will not enter into the if loop, right? It will simply just pass on that value till it reaches the none value, right? So in this way, we are ensuring only left side values are being appended to the list, right? After appending those values, when we reach the end of the tree, after everything has been done, then we come here and we return the list. That will be our final output, and I hope everyone have understood till this part. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment below and we'll be very quick to respond to your query. If you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe with all those IDs. That will be very helpful for our growth of the channel. And thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in another question.